Hey everybody, JJ Cagle here. Today we're going to be looking at the new lookup feature in iOS 15. Basically what this feature allows you to do is it'll identify landmarks and plants in your photos. So in order to use this feature, we're going to go to the Photos app and we're going to find a picture of a plant. This is a picture of a cactus in the Joshua Tree National Park. And so let's say I want to know what it is. If I don't know, I'm going to go ahead and click on the eye with the stars at the bottom, right? So anytime lookup has analyzed the photo, there will be stars next to that eye. Once I've done that, I'm going to go ahead and click on lookup plant. And as we can see, it is a type of chala, the teddy bear chala. So that's how to do it for a plant, and it's actually the same way for a landmark. So going over here, we'll tap on the eye once more. And we can see that it's actually identified as a landmark. Last time I identified it as a plant, and this time it's identified it as a landmark before we've even initiated the search. So we'll go ahead and click on that. As you can see, it pulls up the Golden Gate Bridge, and that is correct. Thanks everybody for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please hit that like and subscribe button. JJ Cagle, out.